Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start in SAP GUI. Go directly to transaction KS02 to change the profit center on a cost center. Enter the controlling area and the exact cost center ID, then press Enter to load the record. Once loaded, select the Basic Data tab and find the Profit Center field. This links financial postings to the right analysis object. Make sure to verify the controlling area matches your organizational unit, so you do not misassign financial reporting. Once you see the Profit Center field, type the new Profit Center code or use F4 search help to find it. You must validate related fields, company code, segment, and cost center hierarchy, because changing the Profit Center can affect financial reporting and allocations. After updating, use the preview or validation tools in KS02 to simulate the change and confirm there are no integration conflicts with CO, FI, or asset accounting. Make sure to document the reason in the change text before saving. Save your edits and note the change number that SAP returns. Then verify the update in KS03 or run a quick report to confirm the Profit Center now appears in postings. If you encounter authorization or lock errors, run SU53 immediately and share the output with your security team, because writes or parallel edits usually cause failures. For bulk updates, use LSMW or a sanctioned mass change utility, and ensure you transport changes through your landscape.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.